Hello, you're welcome to this brief guide on how to use the outputs of the BIC for SME project. This project is designed to support small and micro enterprises and early stage entrepreneurs to develop their innovation competencies. The first step is to go to our homepage, www.bicforsme.eu. When you get to our homepage, you'll find some general information on the project, partners, etc. But the two key areas are those sections on training for trainers and training for SMEs. We click on the section Training for SMEs. Here you find an introduction to the topics and the issues being discussed. And a key part is the video here, which gives you a detailed guide on how to use the tools and materials that have been developed. When you scroll down, you will see that there are 10 modules that we have addressed as part of the BIC for SME project. You can click on any of these and the format for all of them is the same. When you click on any of these modules, you are introduced to the tools and information that we have made available. You will see a concept map, diagnostic test, and training material. You will also see summary PowerPoint versions of all of the material. And these are available in English, Spanish, Slovenian, and Italian. When you click on any of the concept maps, it gives you an overall picture of that particular subject. Here we see the fundraising and financial awareness module. This looks at issues such as sources of funds, financial projections, business and revenue models, funding needs, and how to communicate with external stakeholders, particularly investors. The diagnostic tool seeks to explore the level of knowledge that an entrepreneur or early stage business promoter has. It also seeks to explore the level of knowledge that trainers may have in a given topic. When you go to the Entrepreneur Work tab, you will see a series of questions that you can put to the promoter. You can rank them in terms of their level of knowledge. And this provides you with a traffic light system which gives you an indication of how well or how poorly they know a topic. Red indicates a lot of work to be done. Green indicates where they have sufficient knowledge. And there's also a graphic presentation of the outcome. After asking the questions of the entrepreneur, you can then go to the roadmap section. And here you will be able to set out a work plan for the entrepreneur. Finally, you have the learning material or the content that we have developed around each of the 10 modules. The format is similar for all of the modules. Section 3 is where you'll find the learning material. In section 4, you can also develop a roadmap, which is supported by the roadmap from the diagnostic tool. And finally, you can look at the outputs in section 5. This is a summary of what was planned and the outputs that have been achieved or the outcomes that have been attained following the training intervention. There's also a summary version of all of the material available in a PowerPoint format. You'll find this at the bottom of each section. The trainer section is laid out in a similar fashion. The difference here is that trainers, mentors, and coaches can assess their own level of knowledge in the 10 subject areas that the BIC for SME project has addressed. As mentioned, further information is available in a more detailed video, but we hope that you enjoy the tools and materials we have developed as part of this project.